Madam Speaker, today I come to the floor to talk about an issue which I think makes a lot of sense: home health care. Being from a rural area in Louisiana, home health aides provide a tremendous benefit to my constituents, many who live 25 minutes or more from the nearest hospital. I believe home health care provides a necessary service need a little extra assistance meeting their health care goals. A new report by Avalier Health found that home health use saved Medicare $1.7 in 2006. That's a real savings while providing good health care. Here's an example from my district. Jimmy Jordan's life was saved when his mom's home health care nurse, Rochelle Mixon, noticed he was suffering from congestive heart failure. Since being released from the hospital with his own health care service, he has lost 170 pounds and improved his diabetes. He no longer uses a wheelchair as an improved mobility. Jimmy says he owes his life to the care he's received from his home health care team. I believe in home health care, and I urge my colleagues to support these providers as we move forward with the debate on health care reform. Home health makes a difference and saves money. There's no better combination than that. Thank you. I'll yield back on time.
Time has expired. For what reason does the gentleman from California rise?